Hey traders, have you ever placed a trade only to get stopped out just before the market rockets in your direction? Well, that is because of liquidity sweeps, one of the most common tactics used by big players to manipulate price. So in this video, we are going to be diving into the liquidity sweep filter indicator. Let's just add the indicator to the chart right away. Okay, the liquidity sweep filter indicator. All right, this is how the indicator looks like. This is an extremely powerful tool that helps you detect liquidity grabs and stop hunts before they happen. Okay, so now what is a liquidity sweep? In case you are not familiar with the concept of liquidity sweep, let's just briefly look at what liquidity sweep even means so that you can understand what this indicator tries to do for you. Okay, so now a liquidity sweep happens when price moves to trigger stop losses or pending orders. Let's look for a good example. I want you to understand this concept properly. Okay, I hope we find one, a good one at least. All right, now we can see that we have a resistance zone around here, right? Now you might be wondering, price got rejected around here, the first. You can see price got rejected around here. It got rejected here again. It got rejected here again. It got rejected here again. Now, why did this happen? Why did this happen? This could actually be a liquidity sweep, right? Now, liquidity sweep is a scenario whereby the big players tries to grab liquidity from pending orders. Remember that when you enter a sell trade, you might want to set your stop loss just above the resistance, right? And if you want to trade breakouts, you might be setting buy stop orders just above resistance, right? So when a false breakout happens, powered by institutional players, your stop orders and your stop orders might get triggered, and of course you just find out that the price reverses. So after that happens, you lose, and the big players grab liquidity for their trades, entering at better price levels. Okay, so a liquidity sweep happens when price moves to trigger stop losses or pending orders before reversing in the real direction. And you can see that after reversing, you can see how low, how far this sell went. You can see how far it went without coming back up to this point again. You can see how far it went. It was not even done. Can you see? It was not done at all. You can see how far it went, right? It was not done. Can you see? You can see that for yourself, right? So this was a very massive sell. This was a very, very massive sell that took place right after this liquidity sweep. Okay, so you have to just be cautious, all right? That's the reason why it's not exactly very good to set your stop losses very, very close to the resistance for a sell or very, very close to the support for a buy. Okay, now this liquidity sweep indicator, you can see that it highlights, you can see that it presents important information that helps with, liquidity information. Now, with respect to fake breakouts, price appears to break a support or resistance, but quickly reverses. That's one of the ways to identify a liquidity sweep, just like the one I identified here, right? When you notice that price appears to break a support or a resistance, but then quickly reverses, and then you'll notice that, of course, it's going to be a stop hunt. Price moves just enough to hit stop losses before returning to the trend. And then for liquidity grabs, big players manipulate price to fill their orders at better prices. Okay, so the liquidity sweep finder indicator helps identify these liquidity zones. You can see that. You can see, helps identify these liquidity zones, allowing you to avoid false breakouts by spotting smart money moves. All right, and the indicator helps you to enter at key reversal zones where liquidity has been cleared. All right, where liquidity has been cleared. And you can also be able to trade with institutional players instead of trading against them. All right, because you'll be doing yourself a favor if you are trading with the institutional players and not against them. So this indicator acts as a protective filter, making sure that you only take trades after liquidity has been grabbed. Okay. And, after liquidity has been grabbed and the real move begins. Now, how do you use this indicator for better trades? One is to identify liquidity zones. The indicator highlights areas where price is likely to sweep liquidity. You can see, right? Areas where price is likely to sweep liquidity. And then you have to wait for confirmation, right? You can see these areas, you can see these areas, you can see these zones, these levels, right? Wait for confirmation is important. Look for a rejection or reversal signal before entering a trade. All right. For example, you can see this reversal signal. You can see that we have a doji here. You can see that we had a bullish engulfing here. So this would have been a good place to enter a buy. You need to get a confirmation. It's very, very important. All right. And then you can set your take profit at the nearest resistance zone. Okay. Then use your stop losses wisely. Place your stops beyond. Please place them beyond liquidity grab levels. All right, beyond the levels to avoid getting caught in stop hunts. Okay, it's important so that you do not fall victim of liquidity grabs. All right, instead, you should take advantage of such situations. Imagine if you had identified this. Can you imagine if you had entered a sell at this point and rode this sell move? This was a massive sell move all the way from here down to this point. This was a massive sell move, right? It was really a massive sell move. Okay. Meanwhile, those that got stopped out around here might be feeling so upset and regrets and all of that, because you can see that right after this, price never got back to this point up till now, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, up till as at the time of recording this video, you can see that after that liquidity sweep happened, it was just a massive sell, right? So, well, that's just how it happens, right? So you have to be cautious so that you do not fall victim of that. Now, the liquidity sweep finder indicator is an effective tool, for traders who want to stay ahead of market manipulation. By detecting stop hunts and liquidity grabs, you can enter trades with confidence and avoid unnecessary losses. If this strategy helps you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more expert trading insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.